guys, I'm Stuart from Curious, and today we're going to be looking at how to make biltong for our Curious DIY biltong kit. So let's turn this beef into better beef. Okay, so you're going to start with an eye of silver side. It doesn't really matter how much. We're not going to fit this much biltong into that little. Start off by cutting a strip off, and let's see, about 1 centimeter thick. We'll go with a strip like that, and we'll do another one. You generally need to have quite a sharp knife for cutting raw meat, so good sharp carving knife, and you will be able to do this. Obviously, keep your hands clean, don't cut yourself, all of those things. So you can see the meat that we've got is about 1 centimeter thick there, and we might cut that a little bit thinner. Half going this way, so we've got smaller pieces. You might want to even go smaller than that, so let's also just cut this one into a smaller piece over there. All right, there we go. Bit more Worcester sauce. Then we can take the other 2 strips and layer it up. Put a bit more Worcester sauce. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this spice, and it's got coriander seed, it's got coarse salt, which acts as a preservative. I think it has got its own type of preservative in it, probably sodium benzenate, which is probably not the best thing to be eating a lot of, but it's in all your food, so you'll probably be fine. And we're gonna give this a nice even coating on the top and on the bottom. Again, you want to get as much of your meat coated in this stuff as possible, because it's got all the tasty goodness that's going to give your biltong that wonderful biltong-y flavor. And because I've got the whole packet, I'm just going to put the whole packet in here. So that's more or less how much meat you can do with one packet, and that's how much you've got in your kit. You're going to take your sterilized meat hooks. Remember, you need to wash them first, and then you're going to hook it through your meat hook like that, and 3 hooks. Let's go with that piece over there.